got my money?
Yeah,
That looks about right.
it should be.
Man, you look like shit.
Shit, you don't look any better yourself.
At least I have an excuse. I'm old. Now what is it you want?
I need a favor.
And that would be?
I need adrenaline.
I gotta say no.
Why?
Well, because you're asking me to help you kill somebody.